Hello and good morning. Hello, hello. Yeah, so I appreciate everyone who has joined this session, maybe watching from YouTube and everything that you're doing. Today is 7th April. Yeah, so I just started with some news here. President Trump Q&A press, that is a press conference. Difficulties with NATO started with US wanting Greenland and ends with Q&A. This comes also because Trump wants to own like everything or something, huh? And for this, he wants just to take the Greenland and it doesn't belong even to him. So this is just purely colonization of the Greenland. Yeah, so that's most I've seen right now. As you can see, he wants to own and obvious because of the minerals that it have. That's the US market. So with that is not much, doesn't affect much, but there's just grade of resources. Is purely grid of all just resources. All right. Now, what are we happening? The dollar is just, there's no movement much because what we can see with the dollar is just hovering around within a range or a consolidated area. The price is just accumulating. There's nothing much. So mostly maybe waiting maybe for FOMC or mostly on the fundamentals, the war needs to end so that now the dollar can be coming because he wants to keep the dollar strong a bit. But also when it falls, it means now they're jumping also in the crypto space because he wants the US to be the dollar. He wants US to be the capital market of the dollar itself. All right. Now, as I go further, as you can see clearly, mostly as you can see that what is happening because of all this. Uh, yeah, so Today being a Monday, what is happening? We have ISM service PMI and we have Trump also speaking today at 8 p.m. Mostly that's the most thing that is being awaited. And as you can see on this CBC, apart from Trump wants to take land, the Greenland itself, he calls for Iran ceasefire proposal not good enough as Hamas treat deadline nears. He wants to just take Hamas because of the oil that, he he's afraid because number one, he can't even beat Iran. Iran is one of the biggest in terms of nuclear power. So Trump wasn't at least able to win the war using the air. He wanted at least the military to go on land, and he didn't win on that. And then the other thing is that he wanted at least know about the Strait of the Strait of Hamas, because now Iran is the one which pumps oil always to China. Okay? He wants at least to take over the oil so that now he can defeat and have power over China, which can never happen because the Easts are belonging together in terms of power. So he's trying to use Kuwait, which other country? This Kuwait and other countries as a base to beat Iran, but he can't be able. So that's why also Kuwait has been hit hard by Iran also. You're trying to come and partner with the US. You're trying to fire from your country. We'll be able at least to hunt you down. So it was Iran was just sending missiles to those places where there is what is it called? The important places where you have like bombs, those nuclear power plants. I mean power plants, and also they damaged also airports for them, so that at least there's no movement in the air. So they have done so much, and they're using the old technology. That's Iran. If they use the new technology, countries will suffer. So the Strait of Hamas, they can't at least enable it. So the price of oil is about to go up in the next 2 weeks. The next 2 weeks, I see the price going up by about $40 up. Yeah, you can see Tuesday deadline for bombarding Iran's power plants. Oil prices rise. So Kenya will be affected a bit, no matter what you'll try to do. Not Kenya, the whole world. They depend because you have areas where there is crude oil. Western Iran will be taken out in one night if Tehran does not fully reopen the Strait of Hormuz by Tuesday. This guy thinks that he can beat Iran. Just a lunatic. Crude oil price ticket high after Trump reached the Tuesday deadline for escalating attacks on Iran's power plants and bridges. You know, Iran is like three countries combined, right? Yeah, thank you karaoke. So today is like not much people, at least they've been able to wake up. So, but for me, I'll make my own income. I'll make some income also. I'm holding some swings on now the markets, eh? I'm holding some swings mostly on silver because I'm seeing silver going high. Okay, it's just stagnating right now before it makes the move itself. Now the yen is what I'm looking at also. That's the pound yen, GBP JPY. As I check also on the 4 hour, it is making good. I'm seeing more of bullish momentum. All right, let me remove this. So let's say this, and then I remove. I think what I can do, I can remove this because this is a range. I was just showing a range, and this is a fair value gap on lower time frame. On lower time frame. Okay, so I'm looking for price rather to buy. Mostly, as you can see, got rejected. You can see the body of a candle closed at least higher. And now we have a retest. We have a retest, and I'm seeking that at least it will be a good buy, maybe during London. That's when it will buy. Yeah, and if you check on 1 hour, that's what I can see. I'm really focusing on hitting these two. This will be a good one, a good trade for buys to go long. But I want to see at least the price coming up. So you can see buying at least the pound yen, this one will be 1:4. But 1:2 always take partials on my side. That's what I'll do. That's what I'm aiming for. So it's not yet ready. Still pull back and retest, pull back and retests. So okay, now this is about 15 minutes of pound yen, and that's what I'm doing. What I see is at least you want to see if price will break out this higher high, because it has been creating higher high and higher low. All right. And with such, what I'm aiming for is, as you can see, let me name this so that you understand. Higher high. No, we have equal highs, equal highs, equal highs. Yes, these equal highs. And then we have higher low. All right, higher low. We have higher high. All right, it's all about price making those higher and higher low. So here down, you can call it, what is it called? It's called a lower low, right? Yeah, so the price has just been doing that, creating higher high and higher low, now ranging. So that's when I can put now the price like this. This is a range. Until the price breaks up high, I'm not even buying or selling. Until the price creates at least a low here. This is just purely support. All right. Let me put some red here. Yeah, and also you have some highs and lows being created around here. These are a former lower high. And then we have another one, a former lower high here, mostly, and another one here. So these are point of interest where mostly it will be discounted areas. If you want to know the discounted zones, usually add an indicator called, how is it called? I think it's, is it order block by breaker block? Yeah, by Lux Algo. Breaker block, I think you can see it will come. Breaker block. Is it showing? Yes, yes, it's showing. You see, premium, these are discounted zones, and you have areas of premium zones being created. It will scan the market and then show. All right, all right, all right. Now that's 15 minutes. So we leave it. Now AUDJPY, what's happening? Because I'm holding these buys. It is just ranging, nothing much. And I'm seeing this market going even towards this high. There's no setup which is ready. There's no setup yet. Maybe today London are waiting for Trump to talk tonight. Most markets are waiting that way. If he talks tonight, it will be good. No, so not much. So let's look at BTC. BTC, I left it at um let it load. Mhm. What is happening with my internet? Chat is not loading. BTC for finance. Let it load, let it load. It to show tables. BMMV3. Is more better showing on 1 hour. So for me, I like this the way I'm seeing. Oh, it did very well. This was what I was waiting for. Right, this is what I was waiting for. Hmm. Crypto, man. That's the first thing. Yeah, I'm looking at least for it to dump more because it is a correction happening on 4 hour. BTC on long term, let's see what's happening. Yes, this is a good one. This is a good pullback for now the dumping. So let's look on 15 minutes. Mm-hmm. That's good. That's good. It's confirmed from this kind of a support kind of. And here we had at least a fair value gap here. This is a premium zone. This is a premium zone. Is a premium array, yes. This is a premium zone. Whereby it's called these are places where you where orders are piled, and also a good place where price can go and dump price at the high, where it's bought at the low, dumped at the high, and our retest. So what are we waiting for? The first one, as you can see clearly, this first is called a correction. No, the initiation first. It must show us at least a move. So what can we wait? A retest. It has done already, and this is the first. That one, that area. So that retest is good for an entry, sell entry. For a good sell entry, oh, this one I just did here. Yeah, so that's a good sell setup for crypto, for people who are trading crypto. Yeah. So I think it won't be much today live because no setups yet. Nasdaq. Let's see what's happening to Nasdaq now. Oh, nice. Okay. It is at support and resistance. That's the area of where I'm looking at sell side liquidity, where it is, and I'm focused on sells because you are bear market, you are bearish market, as you can see. Even 1 hour. I don't see for buy yet until highs are broken. Until these highs are broken, that I can take buy. But for now, until this sells, this low is broken. So we can check now here on 15 minutes. There's NAS. We refresh it. Maybe when you wake up, feel the fire. Oh, you know the fire. Like you can look. Entry, man, this is a good entry for 1 hour. This is a good entry for 1 hour. Yes, yes, yes. A good entry for an hour. But let me see. Around there. And then stop loss above the high. You have 1:2. You can, oh, above the high is there. So for now, for me, I can't at least somewhere there so that I have 1:2. But I can aim here, this low. Because this low is good. Because it was already retested. There's a bearish engulfing. I'm seeing more of a sales there. All right, I think this is a trade for the session. This is good. This is good. Yeah, so currently, as I can see here, I'm holding some trades here, -8 something. All right, that's Nasdaq. Mm, that's Nasdaq. Okay, let's see what's happening here. That's about 1 hour, 1 minute. I like looking at this. Because you have a bullish, bearish engulfing candle around here. This bearish engulfing on 15 minutes. Bearish engulfing on 15 minutes. I'm talking about this area. Which one? We have, where is it? You have bearish engulfing. And we have another one. All right. So with such, if I plot the 1 hour here, basically you can see clearly this is an order block, OB, which has retested there. It's another block. Yeah, bearish order block. Bearish OB. Inside center, maybe put it red. bearish order block. So it's such. Okay. So I can time this hello. I can time this low. But do you have any liquidity hunts in the morning? I mean, on this area. Let's look on 15 minutes. Okay. I think I see something here. I'll wait for London first. Okay, we have liquidity area here. You have liquidity zone. I usually put it like this. Yeah, mostly it might pull back during um the middle. As much as I'm checking here, it has retested and broken this area. All right. Yes, but we have liquidity here to be wiped. So it's not about break and retests. It's about sweep of liquidity first. So for me, I'll take at least my shorts around here. Yeah, I'm seeing much. Even if I'm looking at this, I want to test myself today. I won't trade this, but I'm seeing a sweep of liquidity is needed. So for indices, it's not like currencies. It's not like currencies the way we see. All right. Not like currencies. Do you have screenshot in this chart? Hmm. Okay. Do you have screenshot? I'll have to do just I'll just wait for it. Sweep. So we might buy London and then now. Mm-hmm. We might buy London most likely. I'll just wait for it. Mhm. I can't go with this. I don't want to make a mistake like I did last time. Yes, it has broken, but I don't see it respecting. So possibility, maybe 1:2 is to reward. So let me see. 0.3, was it 3? No, bought one lot. Sell is about, just want at least all that. Maybe there. Mm, that's a higher lot, by the way. That's a higher lot. Let me try to reduce the lot. It's a high lot because here is about 2,400 on something. That's a very, very high lot. So it means 0.05. So let me take Nasdaq. No, you love before, yeah. Nah. 125, 120, $22,200. Maybe what I'll do, I'll just go in for I just timed this. Let's see. I just timed this TP3, TP2. And what I'm doing right now, I don't want at least for it to be, I'll just read, something like this. Yeah. Whoa, amazing. Mm, on to partial close, I take 0.05, 0.5. Yeah, that's will be better. At least maybe put it somewhere there. 13. Yeah, that's a lot. That's very high. Hmm. Let's see, about $2,000 fall. I'm bragging, but I am saying mostly it might do London, whatever. So I've taken some partials. This the negative 2000. This just what is it? These swing trades which are happening right now. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we'll dump more. Let's go. Yeah, karaoke, how are you? Hello, karaoke. Can you hear me? Mm-hmm. Yeah, 41 minutes in running. Okay, but I'm seeing much of this. Mm, that's about a sell that is happening right now. Magok, welcome. Welcome. Mm, I'm just holding this trade and I want at least to break even. Our stop loss can't do because of it's too low for a position. Yeah. Yeah, I'm holding some swing trades here that you can see heavy negatives, eh? AUDJPY buys and silver buys. So this will go for long. Okay, let me do this. Hello. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Magok, how's the going there where you are? Yeah, but I'm seeing mostly London might do this. Either right now, either may come and sweep here and then now rise now for London, then sell off now New York. So that's why I've done something like this. I've put it at the low, $2,000, 2,300 here. That is 0.5% of my, is it? Yeah, 0.5% of my account. So most probably the market might do this. London. Okay, let me draw it again. Mostly you might see it London doing this, whatever it does here. Then like that. Most probably. That's what I can see. Yeah, so trading some Nasdaq here. We just made some 200, but hmm. I took this sell. Why? Yes, because of breaking this low, but let me follow my gut feeling. Let me follow my gut feeling. Chart analysis, chart what? No canvas. Watermark. I love watermark. Watermark make it to be at least fade. And then session break, is it a must? Remove it. Default. Okay. I want to reduce this trade. I'm not much into. Let me reduce by half. My partial close around $0.25, 0.25 lots. Yeah, that's better. Whereby my risk is about 344 and all that. Because I'm not much on, indices during these fundamental times. It's not about break and read, it's about the fundamentals right now. So it might go up and then go down. If it goes here down, it's okay. Mm. So that is in order. Yeah, so I'm about to close the session in about 10 minutes. Yeah, Kariki, how are you? Can you hear me?
I'm
Hope
hearing
you're
you.
hope you're learning some tips here. Mm.
I'm learning something.
Yeah, yeah. Mm. We are seeing currencies. This is what I've sold.
Okay.
Yeah, so most probably when it reaches TP3, it might reach here. This is what it does. So currencies
Yes.
that this sometimes market does this. It reaches somewhere, maybe current low, and then now it goes up for during manipulation near London. Then goes now. It will consolidate during the extension when you're going to the New York. And then what? Now drop. That's what you're seeing. So this sell was I had seen, but it's better risk less until this low somewhere. So yeah, it's good at least to learn some tips. Indices are good if you have a good account. Currencies nazo, they're not ready because I'm really looking into this yen to buy, but it might happen maybe during London. AUDJPY, just retesting. I'm still holding for a long term. Mm, yeah. Any questions so far? Oh, it's doing well.
So
hmm
what is about gold?
I don't trade gold. I trade silver.
Uh,
Silver, I'm
oh, you trade
holding buys.
silver.
I'm holding
Okay.
buys. Mm,
Uh,
I'm holding buys. Let me do something. I'm holding buys.
okay.
I don't know if this can do well, but let me try to paste a picture. Allow. Maybe. Let me try a picture here. You see the way it's dropping? Oh, it
Yeah.
cannot appear. It cannot appear. Mm, so this is what I've done. There, I've entered there. I've risked here. So mostly, this is what I'm saying. Nasdaq. Let's go down. Let's drop. That entry was good. Even if I entered a lower risk, it is good. I think I can. Yeah, let's go. I'm just hitting this and then I'm done. That's how Asian market is. You get good markets. Stop loss is too low for this position. Okay, maybe put it somewhere there. All right, I think there it will be good. Now let's see. Once it hits here, it will be about. Let's see what will happen. $270. It is saying here it will pay me 2,500. Is it correct? Or is it in nuts? Yeah. So have you entered any position? Karaoke? Okay.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I
So what I
haven't
can tell
entered.
you,
Yeah.
okay. What I can tell you, like basically on gold, if you want to trade gold or silver,
Yeah.
what is happening here? Um, if you want to trade gold or silver, it's better an account that is worth more than $500 or $1,000 because of the pips are expensive. Yeah,
Okay.
you can see what I've done. Like I entered yesterday on a daily. I'm risking like around how much? 6,819 pips. That's about $61
Okay.
on zero point 0.1 use on zero point 0.1 lot. On 0.01, that's about 68 USD. You see now, that will be like 0.5% of
Mm-hmm.
$1,000 or
Mm.
1% of $500. More than 1%. That's why
Okay.
silver and gold is better at least for bigger accounts. So I'm looking much of commodities to gain momentum and I'm
I'm
holding,
asking this.
yeah.
I'm asking this. I have
Mm-hmm.
an account with you, which BMM open for me,
Yeah, that is FP
which
market, huh?
this we founded the procedure. I don't know profile.
A platform for 10 trades.
Yeah, for 10 trade.
Okay. 10 trades is the one now people are copying on the company account, which is being controlled by Dennis.
Uh, okay.
Mm. So you bought a 10K account?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, oh, you connected for copy trading.
Yeah. I'm connected with copy trade,
Yeah, you just give
but
it time because there's no much
mm,
moves. Mm.
okay.
There's no much moves.
Mm,
Yeah, yeah. There's no much moves on in the market since last week.
okay.
Mm.
How can I naweza jitradia mimi mwenyewe?
Yeah, ni kutoa. What you do is
Mm,
you remove your account from copy trading. You just log in copy trading.
mm.
Mm. You just log in
On
copy
my
trading,
own.
and then yeah, you know you can trade by yourself
Mm,
as it's connected. Yeah, as it's connected to Dennis. If you
mm.
want, yeah, yeah. How much is it now?
Nine 700.
Oh, 9,700. Yes, you can just put
Yeah,
position on your side. Mm. You can put
I can put it.
position. Yeah,
Mm,
you can put position on your side. Yes.
okay.
Mm. Sawa.
Sasa.
Yeah, look at the way it has flown.
Eh,
Where?
imedrop kabisa.
Mm.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'm about to make about 500. Yeah, I'm just. You can just trade by yourself. You leave
Mm.
those things. Yeah, yeah.
Because of ndio nauliza hiyo copy trade ni kule ilishindikana ama ni nini kuliendelea?
He's trading on it. I thought he traded yesterday gold because he said that he did
Mm.
for what I can say. He traded yesterday. He was saying that he traded London. Yeah. So
Okay.
I'll know everything once we meet. No, because I'm not in hand there.
Oh,
I'm not connected there, me.
okay.
Yeah, we just connected. Copy trading. You're just down 3%.
Mm.
And I believe the maximum drawdown is 8%.
Oh, how
You check
sijakuelewa?
you check here. Unakuanga hapa. Unaona hapa?
Mm.
You have 10K account, so your profit target is 10%, maximum is 8. So your account is not supposed to hit a drawdown of 8%, that's 800 USD. So if you are down 300, it means you may leave 500. So give it a week, you see if it will be gained.
Mm.
Sawa. So you
Okay,
lost
kwa hivyo
for the
tupige.
last how many days?
About 3 weeks.
Oh, 3 weeks. Oh,
Yes.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Yeah, give him time. Sometimes market does whatever it does. Cause
Mm.
you give it like a month or so. You never know. A good trade might recover everything. For me, I'm
Okay.
coming in. For me, I'm coming in and let me refresh. I'm coming in as a corporate account, but for me, minimum is $1,000.
Uh-huh. A
Yeah,
thousand,
yeah.
how?
For me, copy trading, it will be under my account, under my company. My company listed
Mm-hmm.
in copy trading. Mm. So it is
1,000.
yet to be, yeah, yeah. It was 2,500, but I'll be lowering it to $1,000. The minimum
Okay.
threshold. Mm.
Oh, that's your on your side, sir, now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's yet to be activated because, as you can see,
Uh-huh.
I did last week. The documents are yet to be activated for the company, for my company. Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Sasa
it's today. We are in holiday, so they don't work on holidays, huh?
eh,
Mm. So that's it. And then if you go to social trading,
uh-huh.
that is login. Oh, login is my account, I think. Uh, Username I haven't been created. Let me see. Hmm.
Na sasa
Um,
utakuwa una trade Asian tu peke yake.
Me trade with my experience right now, I trade Asian session. I trade Asian
Okay.
and a bit of London because of the yen.
Uh,
Yeah. So my currency pairs are GBP, JPY, AD, JPY.
uh-huh.
Commodities is silver, and then indices is
Yeah.
Nasdaq or US 30. Mostly Nasdaq. I do Nasdaq.
On Nasdaq.
Yeah. Mm. Gold
Okay.
I've traded for 5 years. Nimeiacha.
Uh,
Mi silver I see it better.
Ulioacha.
Mm.
Silver.
Yeah, silver naipenda. Haina kelele mingi.
Okay.
Mm. So let me see. We are at 5 p.m. The voice is echoing. I think it's good. It's okay. I can't hear any echo. We have finalized 1 hour. I can see here on time for Zoom. Now let me remove the stream. Okay, just a minute. Where is the okay spotlight? Share comment optimize polls.